Sometimes when I make these whisker memorials, I get asked to add an additional element that helps represent the loved one. And in this case today, I'll be adding a pigeon to the top of this bouquet because the cat who I'm memorializing had a meow that sounded like a pigeon cooing. I was trying so hard to imagine what that sounded like because I know without a doubt it was so adorable, and pigeon coos are genuinely one of my favorite bird calls. So I decided I was going to freehand this pigeon in. So I started with the basic shape in the lighter colors before going in and filling everything in with darker shades and detail stitches. A lot of the times when we do hand embroidery, people always kind of want a guideline, but sometimes, especially when you're working really small, the best thing that you can do is just get in the general shape of whatever you're trying to stitch and then work to add in details to make it look more fleshed out. And that's what I did here with this pigeon, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. This sweet little pigeon is so missed, and I really hope that this bouquet was able to, bring a little bit of peace about the situation. Maybe peace isn't the best word because I don't think we really ever get over losing our loved ones. Like, we just learn to carry the grief a little bit better. But I really hope that, you know, as time goes on, it gets easier to carry. But I know that even with time, grief is it's a very tall order to ease it. So I am so grateful to be able to help people navigate through their own grief, and it's something that I personally experienced myself as well. And I think that that's something that's very comforting, when you are going through something and you can talk to someone who truly understands what it's like to have your life suddenly feel like it is now completely different because the loss is just so big. So I'm so grateful to be able to be here for people through these hard moments. And here's beautiful, beautiful Kittle's memorial.